Hey guys, Bruce T here, and today I'm announcing my GoPro Hero 7 giveaway. I have the camera in hand now and I'm ready to do the giveaway. The contest will run until July 28th, and after that date I'll pick a random winner. What you'll be getting in the giveaway is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the 128GB memory card. In addition to the camera and the memory card, I'm also going to give away this Tough Claw, this RAM 3-inch mount, and this RAM GoPro adapter. So that should be everything that you need to mount the GoPro to your bike and start filming some videos. Alright, to win the GoPro Hero 7 and the mounting system, all you have to do is send me an email at brucetessier@gmail.com. Be subscribed to the channel and tell me your YouTube username and your name, and I'll enter you in the contest. After the contest is over, I'll pick a winner by random and I'll contact you by email. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and I hope one of my lucky subscribers will be happy to win this camera. So subscribe to my channel and send me an email and you could be entered to win. Thanks for watching. See ya!